An 8-6 isn't gonna show, big brother. And I really thought he'd show up for this one. What a letdown. Ticks me off.
You finished sweeping the course for any debris? Okay. There you have it. What are you gonna do?
All right, then. It's time for the time attack. Kenji, I'm sorry.
It's okay, Ikitani. We'll show them what the locals are made of.
That's who they're putting up against me? What an insult.
This is the goal zone. Wait a second before you start.
Huh? What's up?
A car just came onto the mountain.
Huh?
Probably a spectator who got here late. It's an 8-6.
Hey, are you positive it's an 8-6?
Yeah, an 8-6 Trueno.
What's the paint job?
Black and white. Panda colored.
Mr. Fujiwara.
Yes! He's coming, big brother! My prey's coming! My challenger won't be that 180 this time, will it? Isn't that right?
Yeah, you got that right.